how to do your tabletop glute work, bringing your right leg to your... Hi, this is Jessica with Breaking Muscle. Today I'm going to show you how to do your tabletop glute work, bringing your knee to your shoulder and into Arabesque. And we're going to use the bar as a measurement for your Arabesque. Okay, so come on down. And let's come into your tabletop position. Make sure that your belly's in. And we're going to start with our right leg, and we're going to bring our right knee in and up. In and up. In and up. And bring your right knee to the floor. And let's do our left leg. So we're going to bring our left leg into the shoulder and up into Arabesque. Into the shoulder and up into Arabesque. Thank you.